Good afternoon, my name is Woogie Triple XL and welcome to your tech news in 6 minutes or less. In today's show, Intel give us a new hero mid-range chip for the gamers. We get a sneak peek at what the RTX 3000 series will look like. AMD says 4GB graphics are deader than disco. Epic shows no sign of slowing down with the free games. EA moves onto the Steam platform with 25 titles. And we go through the T3 top picks of the week on the Evetech specials page. Kicking off with some good news from Intel's side of life, they have created a practical 10600K non-K SKU in the form of the 10500, which is a 6-core 12-thread processor being aimed steadily at the value gaming market. This is going to be a $200 chip, and based on the performance results that I have available to me on Tech PowerUp, it does look like it's going to be the new best gaming budget chip around, finally beating out the Ryzen 5 3600. A little something interesting that I noted when I was going through this was the 10700 does seem to beat out the 9900K and 10900K out of the box. So if you guys are looking for the top out of the box, no frills, no fuss gaming experience, it looks like the 10700 is pretty much the one you want to buy. In NVIDIA news, it's official that we will be seeing the RTX 3000 series GPUs later in the year, and with quite an interesting cooler design. There is a dual fin stack with a fan on top and the bottom of the new RTX 3000 series cards. This is much improved from their RTX 20 series Founders Edition cards and should run a lot cooler consequently. AMD has officially called the 4GB GPU dead in the water. It has been hit and sunk by 6GB and 8GB variants, and I have to agree with him, because if you look at modern AAA games, just using COD Warzone as an example, it uses up to 6 or almost 7 gigs worth of VRAM on my 8GB card. So it is, I think, a welcome refresh that we will be probably seeing more entry-level mid-range cards coming through with 6GB and 8GB goodness. Epic shows no signs of slowing down as they continually throw free game bait at our faces, this time on the launch of a AAA game, that being Total War Troy, which will launch on the August 13th, and that will be free for a total of 24 hours. This is a first that I've ever seen a AAA game go free on launch day for 24 hours, so guys, do mark the date, put a notification in your calendar, because Total War is one of the better RTS titles out there. Honestly though, I think Epic needs to take a breather, because at this point it feels a bit like Mad Max meets Oprah. You're getting a free game. You're getting a free game. Everybody gets a free game. In a surprise move, it does seem like EA is slowly giving up on its Origin platform, moving 25 of their major titles onto Steam. With a user base of 90 million active users, it does make their marketing challenges, well, just that much easier. The thing that I'm sort of wrapping my head around is the development time, investment time, everything that's gone into creating the Origin platform has now basically been thrown away. So I just hope people are keeping their jobs through this decision. Lastly, having a gander at the Evetech specials, the T3 picks of the week are as follows. HP is continuing their Steam voucher bundles with their Pavilion and Omen notebooks. Marvo slings a mech keyboard for a whole 300 rons. TP-Link's Tapo C200 IP-linked webcam goes on sale, and we have a review up on this. Basically, the bullet point of the presentation being insane value. There are some tasty 250GB SSDs at pre-lockdown prices. A 480GB portable SSD from Hikvision at an absolute steal. A well-priced Clev 480GB NVMe SSD. Clev Bolt X 16GB 3200MHz kits minus the RGBness. LG's 24-inch 144Hz monitor at a really good price. I'm using one of these at the moment, to be honest, and it's absolutely fantastic. Samsung's 27-inch 1440p 144Hz hits an absolutely crazy price. That is all we have time for today, but one last little tidbit that I'll leave you with is Evetech is launching its TikTok platform, and there will be an event around this. So look out for that coming in the next couple of days. Until then, keep your lives taking and your games wrecking. We'll see you on the flip side.